Hey guys, Disney Toys Fan Club here with Shopkins Season 3, and today we are here with surprise Rosie and 2 of pack 12s to open today. So let's open our first pack of 12 and fill up our Shopkins display. Look at this! Awesome! Toasty bread! So cute and adorable. And this is from our bakery, and toasty bread goes right up here. And this is our Noni notebook. So cute and adorable, and you go right there. It's time to take our gingerbread out, and look at that, this is our first gingerbread. So cute, and you go right there. Let's take Blow Annie out. Blow Annie. This is our Blow Annie, so adorable, and you belong here. Let's take out Shady out. Shady is so pretty. Look at that, so cute and adorable, guys. It goes right up here. I'm so excited. Finally my display is looking fuller. Okay, now it's turn for Sneaky Sally. Sneaky Sally's here, and that's our Sneaky Sally. And she goes up right here. Let's take out Scony. Scony, you are so yummy. Look at that. So cute. And Scony is in the bakery. And where are you, Scony? And Scony is right next to Fiona Fries. And now we have turned for Cherry Tomato. And that is our Cherry Tomato. Oops. And this is our Cherry Tomato. And Cherry Tomato is right there. And this is our Candy Apple. You are right here. Where are you? Candy Apple, you are right here. And this is our Tyler Rain in yellow. And you are right here next to Bonnie Beard and Beverly Hills. Now it's time to check what comes in our blind baskets. And let's see, we did not have any duplicates, so let's see. Oh, we got one duplicate. We have Penny Pencil here, and as you guys know, I'm gonna share my duplicates with you guys. That's right. And who is this? It's Mobile Mary. So cute. Look at this. And here we go. You're right here. Now it's time to check what we have inside our Ring of Rosie. Look at our cute and adorable Ring of Rosie. And I'm really excited to show you what's there inside Ring of Rosie. Ring of Rosie is from limited edition, and look at this. Let's check what's there inside. Ride. And the duplicate goes to Lee Lara Toy Channel. This is what Lee Lara Toys have to say. I love Shopkins very much, but I can't buy them in my country, Macedonia. I'll be very happy if you send me some of them. I watch your videos every day. I love all your videos very much and keep uploading. Like. So this is for you, Lee Lara Toys. I'm sending you Neela Slice, Mixie Maxie, Tyler Rain, Queen of Tarts, and Asparagus. So this is all for you, Lee Lara Toys, and I also have a Shopkins basket for you. I hope you enjoy receiving your Shopkins, and I'm sure you're excited to get them. So please look into the description box for further details on how to claim them. And thank you for watching my channel. We have another pack of 12 to open, and let's open our second pack of 12. There we go. So we have Kelly calculator here. This is my very first Kelly calculator, and she goes right there, so cute and adorable. And there is our Wiki Whack. So cute, and Wiki Whack is right there. And we have a duplicate, guys. There is Shady. Yeah. So Shady, you can't go up there, you have to wait here with Penny Pencil. And we have our second candy apple, and this is in green. There it is. Candy apple, very cute, and you go right there. And we have one more duplicate, Asparagus. Asparagus goes right there. And we have Sweet Pea, and Sweet Pea is a common. There we go. And we have Birthday Betty here. And Birthday Betty is common, but she's so cute, guys. Look at her, so adorable. And Birthday Betty is right on the top. We have Nettie Spaghetti. Nettie Spaghetti is a rare, guys, and she's right here. And this is Jennifer Rain. So cute. Look at that little umbrella right there. And you are there. And who is this? And this is Wilma Wedge in red. And Wilma Wedge is a common, and you're right here. And it's time to check our blind basket. So far we have got 3 duplicates, and let's see what do we have here. I'm really hoping to get a limited edition. And let's see what this is. And we've got Cream Cookie, and she is an ultra rare, guys. So cute. And she is there. Let's open this one. Looks like it's Washer. And yay, that's right, it's Washer. And this is in brown, and we have Washer here in cream color. So I've got two of them here. Okay, you go there, right there, Washer. Oopsie daisy. There you go. We've got 3 Shopkins today, and in order to claim your Shopkins giveaway, you need to be 18 years and over and have your parents' permission that I can send them to you. You'll also have a surprise in my next video, so keep watching. Do let me know who was your most favorite Shopkins today. I really loved Mobile Mary. Do let me know in the comment section who was your most favorite. Well guys, thank you for watching my videos. Stay tuned for a lot more from Shopkins right here on Disney Toys Fan Club. Bye bye, see you soon, keep smiling, and please like and subscribe.